Okay, shall we practice the numbers with a song? Here it is.
Listen and chant.
1, 2, 3, kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 4, 5, 6, kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 7, 8, 9, 10 in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 11, 12, 13, kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 14, 15, 16, kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 17, 18, 19, 20 in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me.
Okay, so there are a lot of kites. These are kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kites here. They are in the tree. So the kites are in the tree and we are counting them. 1, 2, 3 kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. Can you repeat with me? Let's start. 1, 2, 3 kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 4, 5, 6 kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 7, 8, 9, 10 in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. Okay. Now, can you sing it along? Not along, but alone. Okay, off we go.
Now you chant.
11, 12, 13 kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 14, 15, 16 kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 17, 18, 19, 20 in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. Okay. 13 kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 15, 16 kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 17, 18, 19, 20 in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. Wow. Okay, one last time. Let's sing all together.
Listen and chant.
1, 2, 3, kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 4, 5, 6, kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 7, 8, 9, 10 in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 11, 12, 13, kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 14, 15, 16, kites in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me. 17, 18, 19, 20 in the tree. Come on everyone, count with me.
Excellent!